He's 18. Huh?
How high you needed to go?
He's 18, you guys. He's legal. Oh, shit. Super high. And for the, we can try to get it as high as we can, actually. New shifter. Pretty much got everything out of the car. Old shifter bullshit is out. Everyone usually takes the reverse thing out, but I just took it all together. So it's all out together, all in one piece. Nothing is broken. Everything is still factory OEM plus. And we're gonna go ahead and remove all this stuff right now. That way we can go ahead and reuse this, okay? We're gonna go ahead and reuse this here. And we're gonna go ahead and put this, we're gonna go ahead and put that right there. The new shift knob, this one goes right here, but it's protected right now because we're gonna go ahead and install it first. Right, Hector?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got this little guy here. This is threaded, I guess. That's gonna go up there. Onto that guy right there. Boom. And I guess that's it. Everything else is out. The pins that go there are kind of a pain in the ass to get out, but we got them out. Well, Hector got them out actually, huh? Hector got those things out here. But yeah, let's put this new linkage in. And just like that, it's in.
It's in. Oh my God, it's in.
We tighten that bolt. That's the whole linkage here. The linkage goes up in. The reverse lockout bolt. Bracket is on.
What did he say?
It's a nice shifter though.
I listened earlier, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. lightest fucking thing does it on this thing.
Yeah, hold it right there.
Fuck. I have a top, no mames. God, the log